Welcome to Hangster's Hot Rods Muscle Car Showroom, Collector Car Showroom, located here in Daytona Beach, Florida, where we own all of our vehicles. If you're watching this presentation on YouTube, please be sure to check out our website, hangsters.com. Find out if this vehicle is a current piece of inventory or not. We leave all of our YouTube videos up at all times for you guys to look at anytime you please, and we do not take them down, so you never know really if this is a current piece of inventory or not until you check out our website, hangsters.com, because once they're funded, they come down off of our website. Rather unique vehicle we are going to present to you today. Numbers matching factory 467 Pontiac Firebird. Obviously white in color. We will show you the maroon vinyl interior. Again, this is a numbers matching car and it is an actual mileage car. On our website, if you see vehicle mileage presented or listed, it is an actual mileage car. If it is blank in the mileage field on our vehicle presentations, that means the title is exempt, or true mileage unknown, exceeds mechanical limits, whatever you want to call it. Firebird logo on the driver's side front fender. Bias ply tires, red line. Glass on the vehicle all the way around is in excellent condition. You have dual chrome mirrors that are matching. This does have a power convertible top, and later on in the presentation we're going to show you that does function. We do have red floor mats on order for this car, the factory correct to match the vehicle. Seat belts in the front and seat belts in the back, original GM seat belts. That does appear to be the original Pontiac steering wheel. We will give you guys a better shot of that on the test drive when we take it out on a test drive, but a lot of originality to this car. Overall, the door panels, the vinyl on the inside, the carpeting, all in good condition. Door panels fit to the front and rear fenders down the side of the car. Very, very good, both on the passenger side and on the driver's side. Body on the car is nice and straight. We do have a parade boot, a red parade boot for the car. We have PHS documentation for the car that you can see in the still photos. You got your little old school donut tire there. I don't know how much of the trunk mat I can actually pull up here. Apparently none of it. It's like wedged underneath everything, but take my word for it, the car overall is very nice and solid. Chrome on the rear bumper is excellent, just like on the front bumper. Again, looking down the passenger side of the car, really, really good door fitment there. Nice and straight down the side. Taking a look in the passenger side, the door panel there does have a little bit of wear there. It is the original door panel. There's a little black on the armrest there. But again, on the vinyl, check it out. Seats, no rips, no tears. Overall quality of the carpet's in pretty good condition. The Camaros are a little bit easier to find. The Firebirds, not so much. It's really rare that you find a 67 Firebird in this kind of condition and in this kind of quality. It's way underneath that. But checking out under the hood, again, you have your factory numbers matching 400, AC, power steering, and power brakes. So lots of options with this car that were original to the vehicle. Really nice underneath there. I'm going to show you guys the convertible top real quick. There is new lines and new cylinders in the convertible top, as well as a new switch, so it all functions nice, very easy up and down. Now that the top's down, we'll put it on the rack first, and then we'll take it out on the test drive. We're underneath our 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible, white in color, numbers matching original mileage car. Taking a look up at that 400 motor, It is nice and dry at this time. Same thing with the tranny pan. Front disc brakes. All the suspension components seem to be in good shape. Frame rails on the car look good. They aren't caved in. There's no indication of any rust. Floor pans, same thing. Really good looking floor pans on the car. Cross member looks to me to be newer. Nevertheless, in good shape. Dual exhaust. Mufflers, they'll drop out the back there, right directly underneath the bumper. Turn downs. Rear end's in good shape, not leaking. Gas tank's not all dented up or caved in. Drum brakes in the rear. Drop downs on the rear quarters look to be in good condition. A lot of this car shows originality. To me, I don't have any documentation on any kind of restoration on this car. We do have the original mileage, we do have the PHS documentation, but as far as from a restoration standpoint, my guess would be this car is a partial restoration. There's parts of the interior, such as the grab handle, that have wear on them, the steering wheel that looks to be original, many other original components. Then there's not so many original components, like for example, the convertible top at one point stopped working. We put new cylinders, new lines, and a new switch in there, so all of that is new. I'm sure components of the exhaust, braking system, what have you, are new. But overall, a very nice driver quality car. One thing about this car is it is an original factory 400 with AC, numbers matching, original mileage, so the car has a lot of things going for it. That makes it more of a rare car than a lot of the 67, 68, 69 Camaros that you see out there, and even more rare than just your regular run-of-the-mill Firebird. Again, a factory 400 with air in this color combination in a convertible. So, real desirable car. Great to add to a collection, or great to have to take to the car shows and talk about. Don't just take my word for it. We own every vehicle in our building. We would love to have you down here to Daytona Beach, whether you just fly in for 24 hours or whether you fly in and out, the same day, make it a 2-day, 3-day trip, or even a week-long trip. There's a lot to do here in Daytona Beach. Obviously, there's the beach. There's a track that gives tours. Obviously, if you're down here a week when a race is going on, you can certainly attend that. There's a brand new Daytona 1 across the street from the Speedway. A lot of shopping for the women. There's some nail salons over there, different places to eat, different hotels to stay at. Just a lot to do here. We would love to have you down. We have a gift shop. You can take home some memorabilia, be it a shot glass, t-shirt, polo, picture, whatever. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Daytona. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop this car down. We're going to take it out on a test drive and see how it runs out. Inside our 1967 Pontiac Firebird. We do not have a horn. When it leaves here, it will have a horn though. Wipers. Low. High. Park. Power windows in this baby. And it's a beautiful day, so we are going to put them down. Driver's side. Passenger side. Driver's side rear quarter, and passenger side rear quarter. We already showed you the top going down earlier in the presentation. Fuel gauge is working. Temp, I'm not sure. We just started the car. It's not up to temp yet, even if it was working, so we'll check that later. Clock doesn't work, and it won't work when you get the car. Battery and oil are both working. Car does have AC. AC does function. You guys can't probably hear it, but it does function. It is blowing cold, so that's awesome, especially being here in Florida. But today we have the top down, so we won't need that. Radio does turn on. There is a power antenna in the back that does come up. But for whatever reason, there's no sound out of the radio. So the radio is commanding the power antenna to go up and down. And the radio turns on, but there's no sound out of the radio. And we don't mess with radios, so they won't be working when you get the car. What else? Oh, factory seat belts, front and rear. Fisher body seat belts still. The mileage on this car, 85,738. That is actual mileage to this 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. RPM is working as well. So far so good. Let's take it out and see how it runs. This car runs fantastic. What a fun car. It does have bias ply tires on it, and for it having bias ply tires, the ride is really nice. It really is. I had this car lined before we did this presentation. The response in the steering wheel is very good. Car brakes perfectly. It has great acceleration. It has a great ride to it. It really does. Shifts through the gears nice, clean, crisp, smooth. There are absolutely no vibrations in the bias ply tires, no vibrations in the drivetrain at all. The speedometer is reading accurate at 40 miles per hour. It's not jumping. RPMs is reading accurate, not jumping. Great car. The temperature, I can't tell if that's coming up or not. It may look like it's up a little bit. Nevertheless, you'll have a temperature gauge when it leaves here if it's not working. We'll check it again in a couple minutes, but great car. Give it a little gas here. That's 65 on bias ply tires. In Florida where it's 90 degrees, and you can hear, I'm sure you heard the tires chirping in the video, but the car's got plenty of pickup out of this 400. It's a healthy motor. Really nice car. Great color combination. You got the convertible, the AC, the power windows, power door locks. 400 motor, numbers matching, original mileage on the title. You should call on this one. How do you call if you don't know the phone number, right? 386-944-9219 is our contact phone number here in beautiful, sunny Daytona Beach, Florida. Hanksters.com is our website where you can see 80 to 100 photos of this vehicle, as well as this video presentation we're doing for you right now. Our program is turnkey and very successful. We have free shipping at full retail price. This is a convertible, so it'd be on an enclosed carrier. We also have a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty at full price. I'm sure most of you would love to visit Florida, but you don't have to bring it back here. It's good at any ASC certified facility in the United States. You don't have to take it to a special muscle car dealership or muscle car garage. You can probably take it to the same person who works on your daily driver. You have a $100 deductible, and the warranty company picks up the remainder on a covered repair, be it engine, transmission, or rear end. What else? Financing? If you need financing, we have it from collector car lenders. It's really a snap. You can usually have an answer, an approval within 2 hours. 10% down on a tier 1 credit approval, and then the remaining balance over 5, 7, or 10 years, depending on your credit bureau and depending on the price of the vehicle. So please give us a call or visit our website. You can make an offer on this car by clicking the Make an Offer tab. You can apply for financing. You can text us. You can email us. We have a number of ways to contact us here in Daytona. We would love to have your business. So please check us out.